We were doing a live at 11 in the morning, but I'm too excited for it to look like adventure. Oh, hell yeah, dude. We're about to ride the Jurassic Park ride. We're here at Universal Studios, having a nice little Thursday. I wanted to stream one ride because it seems fun. And if we're gonna stream a ride, it's definitely the dinosaur one. So let's do it. We're next up. This is my family. This is Lauren. Hello.
What's up, y'all?
Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Hello. Hello to the people. Yeah, we're live.
Hi,
We're super live.
Still live.
They're excited. They're very excited. Super live.
Jurassic Park with us?
Yes. Very thrilled.
You guys are the best.
Way too excited. That's what it says. It's gonna be way past cool. That's what they're saying. It's gonna be nice.
Hey, we're on Lucky 13.
Lucky 13.
Lucky 13.
Let's do this. I'm curious. Hell yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's similar to the one in Florida. I haven't been on that one. But let's do this, okay? Okay. This is my family. Okay, hold on here. I think we gotta be sneaky here for 1 second.
Make sure hats are off.
Off or backwards?
Dan said I'm making my feet dance. Heyo. Hi, friends of Austin. This is my friend Grinny. Hello. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be totally bodacious. Wow.
Bodacious.
Wow, bodacious. Nice vocab. Heck
Must
yeah.
be a college.
Must be a
goer.
genius. Must be some sort of genius. Cool, thank you. Bye.
Bye, Logan.
Bye.
Bye, Kevin.
Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. See ya. Bye. See you later. Bye. See ya. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna hold on tight. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, I'm a little worried.
A little scary. It's nice, though. This is cool. Who else is streaming the Jurassic Park ride? Name one. I'm gonna hold on super tight. Hold on, let's get the best grip possible. That's a pretty great grip we got set up here. Let's do this. All right, hands up, everybody in the chat. Hands up. Cameraman Jones. This is gonna be totally extreme. Totally extreme. Ooh, yeah! Look at those people in line. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! All right. Woo! Woo! Oh!
Time. The ever-flowing river.
Wow!
Come with us now.
Wow!
When the river flowed through a new
Woo-hoo!
giants.
Let's get it!
Welcome,
Let's get it!
Jurassic Park.
Sorry, Grinny, we're already on the ride. We're stuck here now. Oh, it's bright. Is that guy okay? He's got a little crink in his neck. You okay, dude? Yeah, dude, that's sweet stuff over there. Whoa! Hey there, pal. You spit water at me.
Despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
Wee! Whoa! Wow. Wow. Whoa, the music went off. Oh, it went back on. Okay, everything's fine. Don't worry about it.
Ahead in Stegosaur Spring.
Wow. That man is full of life. Dinosaurs are scary, man. You gotta watch out.
That guy has a cool head tap.
It's true. It's good stuff. Well, there used to be a guy up there. Where'd he go? Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? There was a Stegosaurus up there, but hello, pal. Hey, what up? This is sweet. It's way past cool. It's bodacious. Whoa, Mr.
Organic diet,
Hey there.
ensuring healthy growth and balance of our ecosystem.
Ooh, nice and misty. Oh! That scared me.
Unlike the vicious carnivores that hunt down our flesh, human dinosaurs
Oh,
find the charming
uh-oh.
These are all
Heads up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Mondo Bizarrio. Whoa. Uh-oh, that's scary. Mondo Bizarrio, dude. It's gonna be, oh man, hello. Raptors, man. I'll get ya. Uh-oh, boy. Oh, boys. Heads up now. Oh, Jesus. God.
That's not Noah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to attempt to evacuate you on the level platform.
What's up, you boy?
It's Florida.
Hey, it's lit here. Oh! Oh, my Lord! Ah! Dude, that dinosaur scared the hell out of me. Oh, hey now! Ah! Ah! Hey, thanks for the host, dude. Hell yeah, good timing. Uh-oh. It's a big drop, boys. 15. That was nice. Hey, there's a man's. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Woo! That was nice. That was real nice, boys. Whew. That was good. That was bizarro. Bodacious. What else is it? Hell's Bells. Holy Christ. We got it. Yeah, dude. That was nice. Real nice. What's this guy up to? Suspicious. Suspicious. What are you doing? Suspicious. I don't trust that kid. I don't trust that kid. It is not polite to spit. That's true. Tell the dinosaurs. We need a scarier roller coaster? Man, I will throw my phone on accident. No doubt. The only other roller coaster is the Mummy, but it's dark inside. I feel like that's all we got. Bitchin'. Well, what do we got here? Oh, whoops. Oh, hands up. Woo! Well, that was nice. That was nice. Hey, that kid was suspicious. I don't trust that kid